We got another one today.
Another one.
We listened to the internet and to you. I know this is your favorite. Popeyes. I did not have to get in any fights to get this sandwich.
2 spicy chicken sandwiches.
One of the questions I'm frequently asked is, how do I come up with recipe ideas? I always tell people the same things. I take foods I enjoy, deconstruct them, and then reimagine them in a more healthful way. But today, instead of telling you, I'm going to show you what I do to find inspiration and variety for my diet. This is Recipes Reimagined.
What's your favorite side with these?
It's gotta be coleslaw, right?
Well,
Like-
some people do fries and it's fine, but here's my little hack. Put a little of that coleslaw on there. Isn't that good? The Popeyes chicken sandwich clocks in at about 700 calories, with the majority of those calories coming from fat, about 55%. I saved about 60 calories by adding a regular coleslaw instead of regular Cajun fries. However, the coleslaw is slightly higher in overall fat, but not saturated fat, which is a good thing. You add a medium strawberry Fanta and you add 300 calories with 80 grams of sugar. So your total sandwich meal is now over 1,200 calories. Let's deconstruct this recipe and see how we can reduce the fat calories, but keep the delicious flavor. All right, so let's start out with the chicken. The majority of the calories come from fat. So we're gonna be using a lean chicken breast because we're trying to slash those fat calories as much as possible. If you want, you can use a chicken thigh because it's super tasty, but again, we're trying to watch the fat. Season the chicken with garlic, onion, smoked paprika, oregano, and cayenne. Or you can swap these out for my Southern Creole Cajun blend. And here's a bonus ingredient, optional, but I love it, some turmeric. Gonna mix this together. Pro tip, spray the chicks with a little bit of oil and sprinkle in the seasonings. Pinch of sea salt and some black pepper. Get your hands dirty. And we want our chicken breast to be about the same size, so if you've got one piece that's larger than the other piece, we're just gonna trim this. And this will also help it inside the air fryer for even cooking. Beat some eggs or egg whites and grab some panko. This one is gluten-free if that's important to you. Add dried oregano and sea salt and pepper. Dip the chicken in the egg, then press the chicken into the panko and voila. Place it on the air fryer basket or your oven tray. Lightly spray with some avocado oil, then air fry or bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 400. So with the chicken in the air fryer, let's move on to the coleslaw. Even though the calories for the coleslaw came in relatively small at around 220 calories, even though it was a pretty small portion for that, we're trying to slash a lot more of the fat calories. Mix carrots with some shredded green cabbage and some red cabbage for an antioxidant burst of color. Now the sauce for this slaw, we're gonna keep it mayo-free for the time being. Apple cider vinegar, fresh OJ, little Dijon mustard, a drop of honey, fresh garlic, and sea salt and pepper to taste. Give it a splash of olive oil, then toss together. Pour in our sauce and just toss it. And then set this aside in the fridge to marinate. Now no sandwich is complete without what, Jesse?
Sauce.
Famous Popeyes sauce. Now, I don't know it, but we're gonna do it based off of taste alone. Olive oil mayo, pickle juice or white wine vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Louisiana hot sauce. Tabasco's fine too. I chose a bun that was a mix of grains in order to boost flavor, texture, and protein. Lightly spray with some olive oil, then toast in the oven. Now let's build our Popeyes chicken sandwich. Bread, optional sauce, lettuce, tomato, air fried chicken, pickles. Mix the coleslaw with a little secret sauce, then add to the burger. Top it off with the bun. Swap out that Fanta for my delicious hibiscus mango iced tea. No sugar needed and darn refreshing. Here's the approximate nutritional breakdown. Our reimagined Popeyes chicken sandwich with coleslaw is now 680 calories with 18 grams of fat, 73 grams of carbohydrates, and 48 grams of protein. That's a 26% reduction in calories, but fat calories went from 57 grams to 12 grams, which is nearly an 80% reduction in fat calories, with saturated fat calories being reduced by about 75%. That's pretty dope. But how does it taste? All right, Jesse, you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that crunch? Oh, wow.
Oh, she thick.
You've been waiting to say that, haven't you? You've been waiting for a recipe to say
First thing
that.
came to my mind, okay? The crunch is still there.
You hear it crunch?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead and do it. The pickle set it off, bro. Oh, it's spicy too. All hail.
She's thick. She's juicy. She's crunchy.
By swapping the bun for mixed greens, you drop about 150 calories and can shed at least 25 grams of carbohydrates.
Don't sleep on Sean, bro. Popeyes, y'all should add this to your menu, like a coleslaw bowl or salad bowl with a spicy chicken. All right, y'all, as you can see, we liked it. If you like videos like this, then I invite you to smash that like button below. We enjoy doing these and we listen to you. What do you want us to do next? I have my own personal favorite. I'm hoping that y'all say what I want. Ends in house, rhymes with awful, but it's not awful at all. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you gotta ring that bell so that way you can be notified whenever we post hot new content here. And remember to follow me for daily inspiration at FitMenCook on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and that's about it. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.